morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 10th October 2019. Okay, let's start. The first one. The Global Competitive Index is compiled by World Economic Forum. And this time, India is ranked 68 in this index. And it is the worst performing among the BRICS nations, along with Brazil, that is ranked at 71. The forum has mapped around 141 countries using 103 indicators. To remember this, and this is very important that Singapore topped in this list, but our India is performing worse and it's ranked at 68. Okay, then BRICS. What is BRICS? BRICS is the acronym coined for an association of 5 major emerging national economies, and they are B for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. That is BRICS. Originally, the first 4 were grouped as BRIC. That is Brazil, Russia, India, and China. But in 2010, South Africa joined, so it becomes BRICS. Okay. So India ranked 68 in Global Competitive Index and Singapore topped in this list. And this has been compiled by World Economic Forum. Next, on 8 October 2019, 20 new moons of Saturn were discovered. 20 new moons. So now, Saturn has a total of 82 moons, which is higher than that of Jupiter, because you all know that currently we assume that Jupiter had the highest number of moons and it has 79 moons. Now Saturn has topped in this list, means Saturn has a total of 82 moons now today. So guys, if you like this session, do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Okay, so sharing is caring, you all know that. Now coming to the next, one static GK. It's very important. 3 Ratnas according to Jainism are, what are 3 Ratnas in Jainism? They are right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct. Right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct. These are the 3 Ratnas of Jainism. Next, among 300 scientists from the world, a 32-year polar researcher from Kerala will be the only person to join Mosaic expedition. From India, we have only one person, that is from Kerala, of 32-year-old polar researcher. And what is Mosaic? Mosaic means multidisciplinary drifting observatory for the study of Arctic climate. Now, it is the largest Arctic expedition in the history, and it is being conducted by Alfred Wegener Institute of Germany. Do remember this. Alfred Wegener Institute of Germany conducts this Mosaic expedition, and it helps researchers to understand the impact of climate change, and this expedition intends to parameterize geophysical, atmospheric, and oceanographic variables of Arctic. Next, the 2019 Nobel Prize in Chemistry will be awarded to John D. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino for the development of lithium-ion batteries. So this time, chemistry's Nobel Prize will be awarded to John D. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino. Why? Because they developed lithium-ion batteries. Next, the National Security Advisor offered countries in the IOR use of facility to track the movement of vessels on high seas at the Goa Maritime Conclave 2009. Now, what is Goa Maritime Conclave, IFC IOR? IFC IOR is the Information Fusion Center Indian Ocean region, and this is a specialized center of India operating for the purpose, and the center acts as an information sharing hub. So next, the C40 summit will be organized in Copenhagen between 9th October to 12th October 2019. This one is important. C40 summit will be organized in Copenhagen in 9th October to 12th October 2019. And what is the purpose of this summit? The purpose of this C40 summit is to show how cities are delivering their strong commitments for healthier, sustainable, resilient, and inclusive future. Healthier, sustainable, resilient, and inclusive future. Then, what is C40? C40 Cities Climate Leadership Group is a group of 94 cities around the world. How many cities? 94 cities around the world that represent 1/12 of the world's population and 1/4 of the global economy. And where is the headquarters of C40 Cities Climate Leadership Group? It is in London, United Kingdom. And what is the main focus here? Of course, the climate change is the main focus of C40 Leadership Group, Climate Leadership Group. And it was founded in October 2005. So this time C40 Summit will be organized in Copenhagen. And where is Copenhagen? Copenhagen is the Denmark's capital, and it sits on the coastal islands of Zealand and Amazon. Okay, next. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh formally received the first Rafale fighter jet built for the Indian Air Force in France on Tuesday. Indian cricketer and a former captain of the Indian women's national cricket team. She becomes first woman cricketer to complete 20 years in ODI. Do remember this. Mithali Raj now complete 20 years in ODI, and she was the former captain of Indian's women's national cricket team. Our government launched 112 as the new integrated emergency number for police, fire, critical emergency context. So do remember that 112 is now new emergency number for police, fire, and medical emergency in Goa. Next, the Nobel Prize in Physics 2019 was awarded jointly one half to James Peebles for the theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology, and the other half jointly to Michael Mayor and Didier Queloz for the discovery of an exoplanet. Well guys, these are the most important current affairs for 10th October 2019. Now coming to today's question from last class. So today's question is, World Post Day is observed every year on which date? First option A, October 8, option B, October 9, C, October 10. Option D, none of the above. So post your answer through comment. I am going to give the answer at the topmost comment and in the description below. Then meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.